Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to solve linear equations in a fun and easy way. Equations are like puzzles. Solving them help us in math and even real life situations like budgeting or measuring distances. We'll learn the basics and solve some examples together. Grab your notebook and let's get started. Here is an easy example. We have x plus 5 equals 10. So we have to find out the variable x, which is a number, but we don't know right now what is the number, what number it is. So we're going to find out. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring this 5, we're going to bring on the other side. We have two ways to do it. Or you just bring it, and when we bring, we look at the sign in front of it. We have a plus. So when we bring, we're going to have a minus in here. So we're going to have a minus 5, 10 minus 5. Or the other way is we just deduct. This plus 5, we'll do a minus 5 there. And in here, we're going to have a minus 5 too. Yeah. So next, we're going to have x. 5 minus 5 equals 0. So nothing left. Then we have an equal. The number 10 minus 5. So how much is 10 minus 5? X equal. How much is 10 minus 5? It is 5. So x equals 5. Okay, now let's move on. Let's have a little bit harder one. So we'll have 3x plus, uh, actually, let's do it minus 4 equals 8. In this case, we don't have that just x, we have a 3x, but we don't worry about that right now. We concentrate on number minus 4 and 8. So we have to bring 4 to the other side. So what we're going to do, if we have minus 4 there, we're going to put a plus 4. And on the other side, we have to do the same, plus 4. Yeah. So next we'll have 3x. 4 minus 4 plus 4, minus with plus makes minus. So 4 minus 4 will be 0. So here we finish with this one. We don't have anything. We have a 0 equals, we have number 8 there, plus 4. Next, 3x equal 12. Now we have a 3x there. So the problem is what is going on there? I don't have a plus, I don't have a minus, I don't have anything. But actually is a 3 multiplied by x. This one is a 3 multiply x, yeah, equals 12. Okay, now we can bring the number 3, we can bring it to 12 there. So if we have a multiplication, like in this case, we have minus 4 plus 4. Here we have multiply. If we bring number 3 to the other side, we're gonna do the divide. Yeah. So x equals 12 divided by 3. So how much is x? 12 divided by 3 will equal 4. Yeah. So the answer is x equal 4. Okay, let's move on and have a bit harder one. Yeah, like you see, we move from easy to hard. Let's say in this case, we're gonna have a 2 over 3. So in this case, it's 2 divided by 3. Actually, it's 2x divided by 3 plus 1 equals 5. Yeah. First, we do the numbers. Yeah, we're gonna do it one by one. Yeah, don't try to do everything in one time. We're gonna mix it up at the beginning. Yeah, so take it easy. Just take one by one. So we have here a plus 1. So this plus 1, we're gonna come on the other side. We're gonna bring it to 5. So plus, what is the opposite of plus? We're gonna be minus. Yeah, so we're gonna have then 2x over 3 plus 1 bring to the other side. So what is left is equal. We have number 5. And now plus 1, when we bring on the other side of the equal, we're going to be minus 1. Yeah? Now 2x over 3 equals 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay, what can we do next? We have 2x. We want to know how much is x. So we have 2x and we have number 3. How can we bring number 3 on the other side of equal? Bring to number 4. So we have 2x divided by 3. Yeah. So if we bring number 3 to number 4, from divide, we're going to change. Yeah. What is the opposite of divide? It's multiply. So it's 2x equals, yeah, this sign here, this one is like a divide. It is divide, it's not equal, like a divide. So divide by 3, we're going to be 4. If number 3 bring to the other side, we're going to be 4 multiply by 3. So we'll have 2x equals 12. Now, as before, we have 2 and x. 2 and x is like 2 multiply x. Okay? So we have a multiply in there. Yeah? Let's put it now. We have a 2 multiplied by x. So we have to find out how much is x. So we have x, number 3, number 3, let's bring it to the other side. Yeah. So x equals 12. We have multiplied 2 multiplied by x, 12 over 2. This one is like a divide, like I mentioned before. So 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. So x is 6. Yeah. Okay, let's move on. But now will be your turn too. Yeah, you have to solve the equations. I'm gonna pause. You can pause the video and try and solve it too. Okay, let's say we have sorry, x over 3 or x divided by 3 plus 2 equals to 6. So how much is x? Pause the video, pause the video, and try and solve it. Okay, I consider you pause the video, so I will try and solve it. Yeah. So we have x over 3, x divided by 3 plus 2 equals 6. I'll try and bring number 2 to the other side. So we're going to have x over 3, yeah, plus 2. Bring number 2 to the other side, or you can deduct from 2. I'll put minus 2 there and minus 2 in here. So x over 3, 2 minus 2 is going to equal 0. So we have left equal number 6. And we have minus 2 there. Yeah? Next, x over 3. 6 minus 2 equals 4. And now we have to find out how much is x. In here we have that one is like x divided by 3. Okay. So we have x and divided by 3. Now let's try to bring number 3 to number 4. So if we have divide, what is the opposite of divide? The opposite of divide is multiply. So we're going to have x multiply by 3. We have 4 multiplied by 3, sorry. So x equals to 12. And this is the answer. X equals to 12. Okay? Okay then. Let's move and have another one. Let's do another example. 2 bracket 3x minus 1 equals 10. This one is a little bit different, but like in mathematics, you know what to do. Number 2, we're going to multiply with each of the numbers in the bracket. Okay? So 2 multiplied by 3x, we're going to have 6x. 2 multiply minus 1, we're going to have minus 2 equals 10. Now let's bring number 2 to number 10. So we have a minus there. We're going to write the opposite, plus minus 2 plus 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. And in here, we're going to have a plus 2 as well. If we do here plus 2, in here we have to do the same. Yeah. So we're going to have 6x. 2 minus plus with minus makes minus. 2 minus 2 makes 0. So what is next? We have equal 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. Let me separate a little bit. Okay, so next 6x equal 10 plus 2 makes 12. Okay, like I mentioned before, here we don't have just 6x, we have 6 multiplied by x. Okay, and we'll try to bring 6 to 12. So if we have multiply, what is the opposite of multiply? Is divide. So if we bring 6 there, we're left with x equals multiply. What is the opposite of multiply? Is divide. divided by 6 is 12 divided by 6. So x equals 2. Here we go. The answer for x. So x equals to 2. Okay. Let's have another example. Let's say we have 4x plus 5 equals 2x plus 11. Okay, so what do we have x on both sides. We have an x here and we have x here as well. Also, we have a plus 5 and plus 11. So we have to separate them, okay? We bring 2x, we're going to bring it to 4x, and 5, we're going to bring it to 11. So 4x in here we have a plus, we'll have a plus 2 there, plus 2. If we bring to the other side, we're going to be, you bring to 4x, we're going to be minus 2x equals, we have number 11 there. And now plus 5. Plus 5, have to get it in there. Yeah? So plus 5, when we try to bring it to the other side, we try to bring it to 11, we're going to be a minus 5. So we're going to have a minus 5 in here. So 4x minus 2x, we're going to be 2x. 4x minus 2x, so going to be 2x equals 11 minus 5 equals to 6. Now, like I mentioned before, we don't have just an x. Yeah, we don't have just the 2x. And there is a multiply, to multiply by x. So we bring 2 to number 6 on the other side of the equal. So we left with x equal, if we have multiply, to multiply, then the opposite of multiply is divide. 6 divide by 2. 6 divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So the answer is x equals 3. Now your turn to solve the equations. I want you to try and solve 2x plus 3 equals 11. So how much is x? Okay, this one, consider it like a homework. Please write your answers in the comments. Later on, I'm gonna put the answer as well to give you the feedback for this equation. Yeah, so today we learn how to solve equations by isolating x. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more math tips. See you next time, and thank you very much for your participation. Yeah, don't forget, I'm gonna post the answer of X, how much is X, later on when I have some feedback. Thank you very much and have a nice day.